Hi everyone. So this is my very first Clash Royale video. So I'm not making videos. I reached Arena 6, Pekka's Playhouse, and then let me claim my chest first because this not I won. And now, okay, this is my deck and this is my collection. Okay, I want to reach Arena 8 quickly because Battle Healer will probably be my future favorite. Because she's already my favorite in Squad Busters. And now let's get this started. Oh my gosh, which card should I start with? Okay, I'll start with Valkyrie and Wizard. Okay, but still, who uses mini P.E.K.K.A in this arena? All I need to wait All I need to do is wait for 7 elixirs to unlock a P.E.K.K.A. Or maybe use 5 for Inferno Tower first. And now I need Valkyrie. Wait for them to come together. And now I need that. Now I have Barbarous Evolution. Evolution Barbarians! Holy crap! Nice. I need a P.E.K.K.A. That's a bit nasty. View. Which one should I spawn? I think I'll spawn a witch. Then I need a wizard. Then I need an Inferno Tower. Now I need a Valkyrie. Oh, no, no! No, no, no. Holy crap. Whatever. This isn't the end yet. Starting off with Valkyrie. Then I think I need Barbarians, not a P.E.K.K.A. Now I think I need a witch. Wizard. Nice. Okay, who still uses arrows in this arena? Not complaining, insulting, or anything, but literally, who still uses Mini P.E.K.K.A and arrows in this arena, huh? Okay, don't worry about that. But now, Evolution Barbarian! And oh yeah, I think I'm going to win. Nice! I did it! Power trip chest. Come on. Card boost potion? What's a card boost potion? Let me see. Boost a card to your king tower level for 3 hours. What even is that? But let me see. Start.
Showtime!
Yay! You copied me! Enemy?
Fire!
Not complaining about copy, but yeah, literally, they have the same against me. No. Fireball, please. Oh my god! I'm so scared. I think I need a P.E.K.K.A for this. Skeleton army! Oh, if you want a wizard, I'll spawn one too. god, which is weak against Valkyrie? Bats. Because of course I'm not complaining much about copying because sometimes I have to copy as well. And fireball. Oh, I'll spawn a P.E.K.K.A for you then. No. Oh my freaking god, no. Oh no, I spawned the wrong card. Everything happens so fast. Okay, I'm definitely losing this round. Yep, and I lost this round. Oh no. One more time. Which one should I start with? I only should start off with which because that's the only card I have now. Now I have barbarians. Oh, so you think you can do that, huh? Why don't I spawn a wizard for you? Great! No. Archers. I can't spawn bats. I think I had to go with a P.E.K.K.A. And I need bats for the giant. Which for the mini P.E.K.K.A. Great! I did it! And the P.E.K.K.A takes down everything. One more round and this is going to end. So yeah, this is going to be a 15-minute gameplay video.
Magic.
Okay, why did I spawn back so quick? Yep, that's why. I think I need a P.E.K.K.A and a Valkyrie. Oh, no you don't. Now it's time. Evolution. Barbarians. Fireballs are the best right now. All I need to win now is the P.E.K.K.A. Now I have P.E.K.K.A. And I need a wizard as well. Nice. Now I need fireball. Whoops. Maybe not 15 minutes, but a 16-minute gameplay video. Yep, I guess I won now. Nice. Okay, so this is the end of my video. So let me open my chest before we end. Bye bye.